Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to show a time limit in Google Forms. Google Forms does not have a built-in timer feature. You cannot directly set a countdown inside the form. However, you can use third-party add-ons to achieve this. To add a timer, click the three dots in the top right corner, then click Get Add-ons. In the search bar, search for Form Timer. As you can see, I already have a form timer installed. You can choose any available timer and install it. Click the puzzle icon and select Form Timer. Enable the add-on. Click Continue to Form Timer. Select your form. Then click the Test Link option. The test link will be copied automatically. We'll send the same link to your respondents. Now let me show you a preview. Here you can see a time limit of 45 minutes. Click Get Started. As you can see, the timer has already started. Now fill out the form as usual. Go back to Form Timer and reload the page. Your start time, submit time, and total duration are recorded. This data is saved automatically. Timers are especially useful for online quizzes. They are also helpful for exams or time surveys where response time needs to be limited. Always test the timer before sharing the form. This ensures everything works correctly. While Google Forms does not include a built-in timer, add-ons allow timed responses. This makes them ideal for quizzes and assessments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.